Hi dear students, how are you? I hope you are all fine and safe. In our last classes, we have discussed about the three minor discourses like notice, diary writing and message. So in our today's class, we are going to talk about another minor discourse, that is invitation. Invitation. You already know invitation is a tool or which we used to call or to invite someone for something. Yes, invitation. So invitation is a formal means of communication. That is, it's a formal means of communication used to invite a large number of people to any event or any birthday or any celebration or any public meetings, etc. So there are certain techniques which must be remembered while writing an invitation. Already I said that any discourse must be included in a box. The box must be drawn with a pencil neatly, and the discourse invitation must be written in third person. The invitation must be written in third person and simple present tense is used. So the tense simple present tense is used and no date of writing. In the case of diary writing, notice and message, we are going to write the date. But in the case of an invitation, there is no need of writing the date. So this is how to remember the techniques of writing an invitation. Now coming to the format of writing an invitation. So the format. Name of the organization. So first we have to mention the name of the organization which is issuing the invitation. It's not mandatory. And the invitation in capital letters, that is also optional. That is, it's not mandatory. And name of the program, so for which we are inviting. So the name of the program must be mentioned. And the body of the invitation. So the body of the invitation must include all these, that is details. What is the day, date and time, venue, eligibility, entry fee, agenda, what is the agenda of that, and names of the persons who are involved. That is, if there is a chief guest, he must be mentioned mandatory, guest of honor, chief guest, lamp lighting. So all these must be mentioned in the body of the invitation. And contact details. Suppose if it is any competition which is going to be organized, so you are going to write eligibility required, entry fee, and what are the contact details of the person to whom they must contact. These all must be mentioned in the body of the invitation. And at last you should mention the name of the inviter. So this is the way how to write an invitation. Children, let us look at one example of an invitation. As secretary of the literary club of your school, Pargi, draft a formal invitation in not more than 50 words for the inauguration of the club in your school. So this is the question. You are going to form or write an invitation for this. Seema. So TTWURJC girls. So already I said that the invitation must be enclosed in a box. So draw an outline for that, and in that box you are going to write the name of the organization issuing invitation. That is TTWURJC girls. In the next line you are going to write Pargi. We cordially invite all staff, students and parents for the inauguration of the literary club of the school on 17th August between 8:30 am to 11:30 am within the school premises. Well-known novelist Mr. Sandeep Kumar will be our chief guest. You all are requested to join us in the auditorium for tea and snacks after the inauguration ceremony. So already I said that in the beginning you are going to write the name of the organization who is inviting, and next you have to write the body of the invitation. In the body of the invitation you must mention the date, time, place, where, when, how, and chief guest, Yes, that must be mentioned in the body of the invitation, and down you are going to write the person who is inviting. So this is a model invitation. Take assignment. Imagine you are the school people leader of your school. Prepare an invitation for the organization of annual day in your school. Once again, you are the school people leader of your school. Write an invitation for the organization of annual day in your school. This is your assignment. Write and submit.